What's up, everybody? So for this video, it's gonna be a little bit different. I need intro music, so we're gonna create one. Well, kind of. What's up, everybody? If you're new here, my name is Amauris Hernandez. That's my name, Amauris. So for this video, as I mentioned, I need an intro music for my intro. I don't mind choosing different songs, to go over it, but this is a song I actually found that I like, but the bass line is not my favorite. It kind of sucks. At least for me, it sucks. If you know me personally, you know I have a background in music. That's what I did before, still do kind of, before I got into photography and video. So here I got my setup. I got my Fender American Jazz Bass right here, 5-string. Got my Mac Mini that I actually had set up here just for music. And yeah, don't mind the mess. Any photographer, we have a mess anywhere. So I'm gonna set this up and let's get started. All right, I'm gonna show you the song real quick. Something like this. That's the music straight from Epidemic. So for me, it's not much of a bass line. It's just bing, 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 something like that. It's simple. I wanna funk it up a bit. Let me just show you my bass. If you're a musician or a film musician that's into photography video now, I got an American Fender Jazz Bass and great investment. I kind of invested in it when I was slowly stopping music, but I'm still, here and there with it. Let me just show you a little not a sneak peek, but something I did. I'm gonna just show you 5 seconds of it, so I don't get copywritten, because I hate those. All right, that's it. So let's bring in the whole file, the whole version. No, better yet, let me just bring in the instrumental, the stems. All right, let's hear it back. I highly advise you to use headphones, since it's a bass line, to hear better than just the regular your headphones. Highly recommend headphones. All right, so here's the bass. Let's solo real quick. So I want to do something similar, but just make it a bit funkier. Keep in mind, this is only like for 7 to 10 seconds. So I have to decide what I want to do. I'm aiming for 7 seconds, but I might end for 10. But I think I might end. You know what? Let's just pick the part that I want. It's just short and sweet. For me, it doesn't matter what part of the song too much, but let's just still have something. Perfect. Perfect. All right, we're gonna bring that back. New track. Before I continue, let me make sure I want to. So I think there could be the end. So 10 seconds. I'm gonna aim for 10 seconds. This would have been so much easier if I remember my shortcuts. Let's leave about 10 seconds or so. Now let's play it back. That's the original. So the original, you could tell right away it's from a MIDI keyboard or modular. So let's bring this in. If you're wondering what I'm recording into, it's the Apollo Twin, the first one. Let me rehearse the song because I haven't tried it out. Something like that, right? Let's play it back and see how it sounds. solo it so I can hear better. That sounds dirty as. I think I have it. Yep, I think that was it for me. I think that's the one. So it only took me about 8 to 10 tries, just because it was a 7-second clip. So imagine a whole song. Damn. I could just loop it if I want to, but it's an intro. I can't get all happy musician right now. I mixed it, I compressed it a bit. Now we just gotta go to, not just let it export itself out. Now that this is done, gonna go to Final Cut Pro, and that's the intro. Let me know what you guys think. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. I know it was different, but if you enjoyed it, let me know. Comment down below if you want to see more of this, like more music incorporated into behind the scenes stuff. Yeah, I'll include it more. I have a bunch of musician friends, so once I can get my hands on the Tamron 17-28 lens or the Sigma 12-24, whichever, I'll be vlogging more for anything photo related, video related, or music related, because that's my, those are my passions. So yeah, subscribe, like, I think I said that already, just a reminder, and yeah, share this video, and see you in the next one. Peace.